Hey guys, Leslie here. So this will be video 1 in our Christmas card series. I had mentioned maybe I should do that after I made that little birthday card with planner stickers, and quite a few of you seemed to enjoy it, and I said, hey, maybe I should do this, and a couple of you said, yep, like you should do that. So I'm doing it. So I have this is called ephemera. It's a fun word. It's from Cartabella, and it's the Deck the Halls ephemera. I got this a long time ago. I don't know if it says the year. Yeah, 2016, but we all know that's about when my sticker books were from. So there you go, right? So these are not obviously planner stickers, but it's stuff I had already. And then I'm going to pair some washi tape with it. So it's going to be more of like another way to use your washi tape. So I have my little card here. I didn't make this. I buy them in packs at Walmart, at Michael's. I don't know why I was about to say Walmart. All right, so we need to dig through here and figure out which ephemera. That's too big. That's too big. I guess I could go that way, but then that would take up all the room and then there'd be no room for washi. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, that's adorable. All right, Deck the Halls. I kind of like that one. And then, I don't know what that spells, and I'm not spelling right now. This would be cute. It's a planner tab, right? Isn't it? So this one you can punch out. That's kind of fun. There's a little snowflake there. Present. Okay, so these are fun to like layer on, I will say, but I'm not going to use that right now. I like the present. I don't think I want December, but that's cool because it's a planner. And then this one's a tag. You can punch that out or cover it up, whichever. Ooh, there's Noel. There's another letter. I'm not spelling. May your days be merry and bright. That one's cute. That one's really cute. I think that would look good on like brown cardstock. There's another snowflake. There's more presents. Maybe that one. Christmas morning. That feels scrapbooky. 'Tis the season, maybe flowers, tiny dots I'm not doing right now, and then there's an E. There's another tag. Oop, a tree. That one's a maybe. I kind of like these little shapes. And then all is bright. That's a good size too. I don't want to use all of those. This one's kind of big, but that would be cute if I just put like a strip of washi behind it. I don't know. That's a maybe. This one's a no. I do like Santa, but I was like, not for the first card, I don't think. Okay, not that one. I don't think I want it long. I think I'm going to go this way. We'll hold these back. Okay. And then washi tape wise, okay, so I felt like it was kind of bright, but then it was also kind of like rustic. So I kind of liked this set and then like this set. They're not actual sets. I think they're a combination of Michael sticker boxes, and then I think a few of these are from the washi tape shop. I don't remember where I got this one from. I think it was from a Christmas tube, probably from Michael's. But in looking at what I've got going on here, I don't know. I can't decide yet. Okay, I do need to get my glue runner. I'm going to use not the Elmer's one. I'm going to use the Xyron one. I have the Xyron tape runner, which is fun. And then I think I'm going to grab, okay, final decisions. I think I'm going to go Deck the Halls. And then, should I do tree and then present? Or present and then tree? I think present and then tree. Okay, I'm liking this. That looks cool. Okay, we're going to do it like that. And then I think this one is probably too wide. So we'll skip that one. I'm kind of liking these, the bright, because it's like traditional red and green. So I think that would be fun to do. Okay, this one already is polka dot. So that one I could do that with though. Okay, let's play a little bit. So I want to have this one, possibly. And I'm going to flag it out. Ooh, this one's really smooth. It like rolls nicely off the roll. That's crooked. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I am making Christmas cards for my loved ones. Getting that done now. It's always good to get ahead of, right? Okay, snip that. I know a lot of people like to have their Christmas cards mailed out by here. Okay, so we'll put it about, I want it to go pretty far out. Right there. And then we'll stop it around that point. And then I'm going to take my glue runner. It has a little cap. Isn't that nice? Okay, cap, glue runner. Ooh, that's noisy. So noisy. It's a duck. Okay. Also pop dotting these would be nice too, but pop dotting sometimes causes shipping problems. So I have had a handmade card get destroyed by the post office. That was fun. It was a Valentine's Day card that I sent to my brother and sister-in-law. So rude. Okay, I'm trying to decide which stripe I like better. I think this one goes with that better. So I'm leaning towards this one. And I think I'm going to grab this one and make it go the other direction. I think that's what I want to do. Okay, like this way. Going out like little ribbon tags. This one doesn't feel as sticky. They felt like they were from the same company, but this one has cardboard on the inside and that one has plastic. So I'm going to say not the same company. Definitely not. Okay. So then this one I'm really worried about how sticky this is. About there. Does that look good? Sure. Handmade cards are made with love. So it doesn't matter how it turns out. I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. It does kind of matter. A little bit. Okay. Which way? This way. I got this. There we go. And there's more ducks. There goes the ducks. All right. We got them all. Okay. And then this, I need to somewhat line up. So I'm trying to line it up with the middle of that point and then not touch that either. There, golden. All right, so then this one, little washi tape for that one. Should I go back to the polka dot, even though this has polka dots? Or should I incorporate some of this foiling? I like the foiling washi. That's kind of fun too. I'm not sure where I'm going to add that. I kind of want to go back to polka dots. I really like this one. A lot. Okay, we're going to go back to polka dots. Just because I like it. I know I picked out 27 washis and I used 2 of them. That's so me. Okay, so if I'm trying to make sure that I'm somewhat where I'm supposed to be, because I don't have a lot of room left to center things. Okay, that looks good. I just don't want it crooked. Is that in the middle? No. What are you doing with your life? There we go. Okay, this is the hardest one because it's the last one. Okay, there's good. Okay, and then we'll move that out of my way. And then take this. Don't care. Go like that. We need the duck. I actually had one that looked like a duck or a pig at one point. I did. It came from like the dollar bin when I worked at Joann's. I did. I used to work at Joann's when I was in college. In case you guys didn't know, fun fact about Leslie. Okay. All right, that's snazzy. And we have our little quote for the front of our card. So that looks good. Okay, so I love foil. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is I'm actually going to open this up. Normally I wouldn't, but I love this foil dot washi and I think it's super cute. So I think I'm going to decorate the inside just a little bit. Don't hate me. Okay, so this is going to go here. And then we'll cut that off right there. And then I think I want to use the green one at the top. Won't that be fun? Can I have it? There we go. Oh, wrong direction. Is it though? I don't think I've ever used this. I don't think so. Okay. Then we have this one. So then I also kind of cut the space that I have to write. I don't know about you, but like you're filling out Christmas cards. And when you make handmade Christmas cards, usually I have a quote stamp that I pretty much use the same quote in every card because then I can just switch up the quote every year or something. So that's always fun. Honestly, one of these could go in there, but it already says deck the halls, so that's nice. My craft area is a little messy already, but that's okay. That's kind of how this works. So there you go. A quick little Christmas card that is now ready to go to a loved one. Like I said, if you don't have ephemera like stuff, you could punch out shapes. That's always fun. Or yeah, punch out shapes and then like write your own quote or print off your own little shapes and cut those out. That would work as well. And then I'm just using up some Christmas washi that I already have because you guys know I have a lot of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of these Christmas card series videos. Make sure you leave me a comment telling me if you want to see more of like ephemeral ones or planner stickers. I would love to know. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.